Hey, what's up? Glad you could join us. We are in Tahiti, and come with us as we travel on the catamaran. We just went snorkeling and I found a couple of these beautiful shells. Hey, they are monsters, but we only look and don't take. Say goodbye. What's up, guys? Just woke up. It's about 6:30 in the morning in Bora Bora. Beautiful view. Looks a little overcast. It might rain a little bit, but nothing we can't handle. We got the two boys. This guy just got breakfast, and so did this guy. He got some breakfast, and now he's just into his movie on the iPad. Hey. Beautiful day on the boat. Oh, my wife, she just hopped in the water. She's already snorkeling. She's said the water's so warm, I gotta go. Let's take a look. Oh, beautiful deserted island. And there's my wife, Melissa, looking for fishies. glad you could join us. We are headed to Raiatea, and we're gonna go check it out. Let me know what you think of my videos. Take it easy. You showing off your new pearls? We went to the Taha Pearl Farm, and she picked up that necklace, and she picked up those earrings in Bora Bora.
Grade A. We go from A to triple.
Boat life.
These oysters live how long, did he say? Like 11 years?
More than 20 years they can live.
Oh, more than 20.
But yeah, after 11 years we put them at retreat.
You what?
We put them at the retreat.
Retired?
Retired, yeah. Retirement.
Up a little bit because we're about to go in to the channel. Big thanks to DreamYachtCharters.com for setting us up out here in Tahiti. Last time I came to Tahiti, I stayed in one of those beautiful over-the-water bungalows, but I got bored in about a week. And like, it's just so boring. If you really want to do adventure, come to Tahiti and rent a Dream Yacht Charter. They're all right in there, huh?
Oh my god.
Look at those guys.
Did you see the fish?
No. Headed to a restaurant right here. Woo! sitting here on the bow of the boat, and I can hear awesome geisha music, beating on drums, people dancing. And I also noticed that the water over here looks like it's raining, but it's a bunch of little fish. This guy's got some energy. Literally looks like it's raining out here, but it's fish.
Is that your toe?
Jump. Hey, jump. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel. We're here today in Raiatea. We're at the horse riding stables that opened about 6 months ago. Coffee, haha. Got it.
I don't know much about horseback riding, but I'm excited, and I hope that we are going out into this jungle.
Oh, riding on the horse. My nuts are getting crushed. Ah! This is beautiful view we got. It's amazing. Like my cool hat? What's up, guys? Headed back from the horseback ride. If you guys are ever in Raiatea, check out this place. Catamaran Valley. Cool spot. Nice people. Good times.
That was awesome. Good little escape in the woods.
Were the people nice?
Very nice.
Let me know what you think of my videos. Take it easy.